on point. Now is my time to shine.
Hi there, artisans! Welcome to this channel. This is Louchelle Rosenberg. So today I have this frame. It's an old frame that I just kept for over a year, and I want to make my own collage of our wedding pictures, and here are some of the pictures that I want to put into this frame. Or if you have some small frames that you want to make a collage of your pictures, you don't need to be so shy to do them and be creative. So since I saved a lot of frames for painting projects, and even when I sell paintings, I actually send them with a frame. But today I want to make it different, and I just want to create my own collage of our pictures. So hang around and watch how I do it, so probably you can also do it, right? So the tools that we will be needing today is actually a ruler and a screwdriver, because this frame is actually mounted with a screw, and I have a ruler as well. I just don't know where it is. Okay, but here it is, right? And I have these kinds of tools as well. These are like some sort of clay where you can mount at the back of the picture to the frame wood. I have a frame wood here inside, and you don't need a lot of clay. You just need probably a small clay like this, and you can just flip it on the wood so that the pictures would stick on the wood without destroying the picture or even the wood frame. So let's start. Okay, so this is the finished collage already from this wood frame, and I want to place the pictures in this way. So I actually measured every sides that they will go along the margins. This is very important in collage, that you should stick with the margins on the sides over here going down, and the same here. So I wanted that the small picture would be in the middle and two large ones on each side. So this is the adhesive clay that I'm talking about, and I've had a lot here. Actually, this is also useful in drawing. You can also use this in erasing a graphite sketch. You can use this as a highlight actually, and it's easier to form rather than the clay for drawing, you know, so this is adhesive clay. So I just want to show you how it looks like. Now we're gonna mount it back to that metal frame, and with this plastic frame. So what I'm going to do here is to clean this first with alcohol, but we're gonna clean that somewhere else because it's important not to touch the picture with alcohol, otherwise it will be destroyed.
Overnight, and until then you shine bright, cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, climb up intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you send it a wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.